Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check, which is like a test page, on a Canon Pixma MX495. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the screen and the buttons you can see here. So, first of all, we need to go into the setup menu, which is this button here. And from here, we can use the right hand arrow to take ourselves along to maintenance. Press OK to go into maintenance, and nozzle check. It's the very first option there. So we're going to go into that. And this will take your printer a little while. You hear some noises from the machine, but eventually you'll be presented with a page that looks a little something like this. And what we have here is a breakdown of the black, cyan, magenta, and yellow ink used by your printer, with solid bars for the colours and a more detailed print for the black here. Any kind of missing lines or lines running through that would indicate like a blockage within the printer's print head, which you can hopefully resolve with some cleaning cycles. So back at the printer, the cleaning cycles can be accessed by just pressing right once on the control panel, and you just press OK to start the cleaning procedure. From here you can do cleans and test pages until you hopefully see an improvement in your print quality. Now be aware this does use up ink from your cartridges, so I'd recommend limiting yourself to 1 to 3 cleans, just to avoid wasting ink and burning out your printer's print head. I hope this has helped. If it has, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.